In this video, we're going to show you how to add free non-Flash-based weather widgets to your WebLink application using a reference project that we've provided on the ASI Controls website. Over the course of the videos, you'll learn a few tricks, starting with getting a user's location from the browser so that you can show a local map, something like this. Adding HTML elements to a WebLink screen so you have access to the whole library of HTML elements. Changing an image on the screen as a response to an element, here a checkbox element that we created on the screen on the fly. How to send a mobile user to a different WebLink screen than a desktop user, something that will be behind this button on the screen. How to use a JavaScript library like jQuery and import CSS style sheets into WebLink pages. And lastly, in a more advanced example, we'll see how to access a REST API on the web using AJAX asynchronous methods to get JSON data from a RESTful web service and process the data to show a custom weather forecast like this text up here, which is based on our location. We're going to start the training by downloading the reference project from the URL provided in our documentation. Once we've saved that file, we can do a project restore from zip. Don't need to save the blank project along the way. We'll log in as admin to gain administrative access and go straight to the main page. In this example, the first one, we have a map that shows the ASHRAE headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. It's the default because in this case the user has denied access to location data, and so WebLink could not show a more local map. In the case where we have allowed location data to be shared from the browser WebLink can figure out where we are and show us our latitude and longitude and a location appropriate map. This map is created inside of a WebLink label element. Once we select the insert text as HTML checkbox, then we can add HTML elements like here an iframe with a width and a height that we set. And it takes its source from a Google Maps API that we've signed up for. It's free to obtain a key which allows us to use the service. We encourage you to go ahead and sign up for your own key. There's a link right here on the demo page which will bring up the page to get your free key.